The process of stabilizing footage in Blender has become dramatically more convenient, and you can almost do it completely from the video sequence editor now, which is really helpful in large projects where you just want to stabilize one little clip. So let's drop a clip in the video editor. Let's change the file browser to a movie clip editor, load in this same clip into the movie clip editor, and then we're going to want to make sure that these two clips are synced up, because that's not necessarily a given, unfortunately. So you can move the cursor to the start of the clip, and that's the start frame of the clip. Let's go into the movie clip editor, and in the footage tab, we can go to start frame and then just put that number right in there. Then this should be synced up. Now we need at least one tracker, 2 if you want rotation and scale in your stabilization. So let's track the location, and if we go into the stabilize tab and we can check stabilize 2D, then for location, we want to have that tracker selected and then hit plus. Once again, hit the checkbox if you want scale and rotation. Then that should be pretty good. Now let's go down to the video sequence editor. We want to add a compositor modifier, and then you want to probably name that. And then we want to go back to the movie clip editor. We want to switch this to a compositor. Make sure you have your node tree selected. Drop in, let's do Shift A, tracking and stabilization. Make sure we have the clip selected. That should be almost there, but your footage isn't quite lining up right. So you want to scale that up. This is a great use for 4K footage inside of a 1080p timeline. And I think that's it.